boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. It's a beautiful day in the desert Southwest, my friends. People are out playing paddleball. You can hear them in the background. You can hear kids playing. They're riding their bikes. It's one of those days, my friends, in the desert. It's going to be about 70, 75 degrees today as it warms up. It's going to be a great, great day in America, my friends. Friends, I want to give you some updates this weekend on some of our sectors. Give you an update here on the uranium sector, cannabis sector, gold and silver, my friends, and I'll give you an update on what's going on with Bitcoin right now here in a second. But as you know, the Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor, my friends. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white for you so you'll have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. And you can refer to it and say, hey, he was right, he was wrong. Hey, he was onto something here, he wasn't onto something there. You know how it is, guys. Critique is what we do. You know, the store is open, guys. You can get your baby knockout gear. If you want to get one of these nice sweaters, you get one of these nice sweaters there. We're trying to lower the prices of everything right now. So even all the books and everything has been lowered, guys, because it's COVID, man. People need their money, especially the holiday season here. So we're gonna do that definitely here up until the holidays are over. You'll see much lower prices, my friends. But what about this trading week? You guys enjoyed this volatility? I mean, it's up and down, up and down. Let's start with our uranium sector, my friends. Any elevated radioactivity detected will have alarm bells going off all over the world, my friends. I'm not saying at the end of the week that's what happened with what was going on there in Russia, but I am saying that along with this being 2021, but I've told you already the calendar's wrong, because at the end of 2004, this exact thing happened with the funds and everything, and now we have Kastatum Prom. They've announced that this week that they're going to be like Sprott, right? And they're going to have a physical uranium fund, and they're going to be buying uranium, purchasing it to rebuild their inventory there, shall we say. We don't know when that's going to start exactly, but it's going to be good for the market, and we're going to stay the course with our uranium stocks, as a lot of them now are hitting 52-week highs. We've been waiting for this. Of course, they're going to pull back, guys. 52, guys and gals, 52-week highs. What do we have this week, 52-week high? Our loved energy fuels, UU, hit a 52-week high. And we got to 9, guys. Remember now, we're under $1, guys. Under $1. Marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. Companies getting early hold and grow rich. That's one of our combo companies. And full disclosure, that's my largest holdings, is UU. And I hope it stays that way as long as the stock goes up. And I have to cut a little bit here and there from it, my friends. I have not sold any of my UU yet. My energy fuels that I got super low before. Remember this, guys, this was written in 2019. So it's like, I bought 20 this, bought it. This is 2019. So of course I bought even before that. I was going in, these stocks were super duper low. Okay, so we're dead on it, guys. And like I said, a lot of them are at their 52-week highs right now, and we expect more and more to hit 52-week highs and continue to go up. We expect this to be a multi-year uranium bull market, and just like 2004, the good is coming here, guys. Not the good. The good is here now. The great is coming here. When you're going to really see some really explosive moves, guys. It's going to be really. It's going to be good. It's going to be really good. And just hold on to your wigs and toupees, guys, because those pennies, if you have patience, they're going to be turned into dollars. just like we have with all of these uranium companies, all of them in there, man. Also, Germany, guys, you hear what's going on in Germany? You know, I've telecast or I've forewarned you about what's going on in Germany when they banned How to Invest in Uranium Now. Remember when they banned this book? And I told you guys I was banned in Germany. This was months and months ago. This was leading up to their election and their fight over nuclear energy and all that. Well, it seems like there may be a change of heart in Germany. There are a lot of people saying, no nukes, no nukes. Well, it's kind of cold and energy prices are skyrocketing like they are all over the world. And that is a very volatile situation when you have people that may be frozen in their own house. Things change. So I'm not saying that Germany's going to change. They're going to reevaluate things and decide to go in that direction. Who knows? They may even overturn the ban on my book. Who knows? We'll see how that goes, guys. But you never know. You never know. That's what's going on right now, my friends, with uranium there. My friends, let's segue over to gold and silver real quick here. Gold briefly spent some time, guys, around 1800, and silver was on its way to $25 an ounce. And the Fed, Chairman Powell, he's love him or hate him, whatever. I don't have one. Anyway, well, when they speak, the market listens, and he threw a little water, I guess, on the party there when he Fed speaks, and it speaks for itself, because you know what gold and silver do, depending on what the Fed says, it kind of takes a back seat, my friends. But didn't they tell these guys this week that there was no more, they couldn't inside trade anymore? Maybe that's why they're kind of upset or something. I don't know. Because insider trading was, as I told you years and years ago, for some in America, it's a way of life. It's not, you put somebody out there on Front Street, somebody like Martha Stewart, something that people do every day, all day, and then they blame something on her and say it's insider. What a joke, my friends, what a joke. But I believe some of the congressmen and some of the senators and some of the people that are in power in America, they need to chill out a little bit. Chill out on when they take a look at it, and everybody I can't say everybody, but a lot of senators, a lot of Congress people own Pfizer. I mean, it just so happens that you were having hearings and you're in. Insider trading is a way of life, that they own those stocks. Someone got a hold of the Speaker Nancy Pelosi stuff. Some guys out there really doing a good job putting her stuff out there on Front Street, her trades, and they're going with her trades and her. I won one of her nephew's trades once, and it didn't work out. So I don't think those guys they have anything on us when it comes to picking these stocks. So I stay away from their stocks. Anyway, guys, segue over to cannabis. I spent and we're sticking with our baby knockouts, guys, on all these Bitcoin, everything, and it's going haywire, up and down, up and down. We're sticking with our baby knockouts because some of them right now, like we're saying, they're going to be going up to 52-week high. As Bitcoin goes up, as Bitcoin goes down, they go down. Bitcoin goes up, they go up. You know the deal, my friends. Over to cannabis here. MJ sector, my friends. I attended a Veterans and First Responders Appreciation Day in North Las Vegas here just last weekend, my friends. And I spoke to several people, some did not want to give me information. I met a guy, a nuclear guy who was on a nuclear ship. He didn't really want to talk about it because the organization we talked off the air. The organization he was with is doing lobbying in Washington. A lot of organizations, veterans organizations are lobbying. So they really didn't want to talk on the record here. They didn't want to do interviews. But they gave me a mouthful, man. A mouthful and an earful when we were off the record. They would tell, and there's a consensus here when it comes to cannabis, guys. They were telling me when I spoke with these veterans and these first responders that MJ has a long way to go. cannabis has a long way to go in America before some of these people in Washington will accept it. Now, we've known this. I've told you, MJ has a long way to go. It's nowhere even close, my friends. But that leads us to this weekend, where you see what happened over in Scottsdale, Arizona. Bank of America has shut down, is starting to, and they have one already that they're notifying cannabis companies or anything associated with cannabis. We're going to shut your account down. So, my friends, that started before, but they were really lenient because it had momentum. But I'm going to tell you right now, the momentum for cannabis in the United States Congress is kind of going downhill, you know. And really, it's something that you should look at. Instead of buying calls, buy puts. I mean, you know, because right now it's not looking good right now with Bank of America coming on board and starting this shutting down accounts. Because if Bank of America can do it, then all these others are going to do it also. You know, they're going to follow, I believe, Bank of America's lead there. And we're going to have a rough time when it comes to getting anything approved. Even the Banking Act right now, this may be a sign that they see the Banking Act being in trouble. That's why they're shutting down accounts now. So I don't know. It's not good right now for cannabis. But just when it's bad like that, you know, they have the Democrats have control. Now they said, well, this is what we're going to do for you. When they went out and elected, we're going to legalize marijuana. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. They haven't done diddly squat. I know they got a big bill, big infrastructure bill out there they're trying to do right now. You know, they've given some stimulus checks. They've done a few things here and there. But guys, the big picture. Look at the big picture. Don't look at this overnight stuff. Yeah, you got $500, $300, $200, whatever they gave everybody, you know. $100, $500, $600, you know, the stimulus stuff. You got your shit. Everybody got the businesses got broken off a little bit, but that stuff, the big picture, businesses want people to be in their business. That was the big thing, you know, a little while back. So it is what it is, my friends. According to these mostly mature first responders and mature veterans in all the different organizations, marijuana, cannabis is a non-starter, according to these groups. Now, it's a small sample now, a few hundred people, but they did give a indication that they are opposed to this cannabis thing, my friends. They are opposed to it, my friends. It's been a little long-winded. I hope you and your family are having a great time this weekend. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. This is not financial advice, my friends. You saw, you know, we're dead end. We're in on the right now on the uranium trade. We're in on the Bitcoin trade, my friends. Do or die, up or down, whatever. We're in. Investing in gold today without being cheated. We're in. These are all books at lower prices now. Because all of them have the baby knockouts in them. So you want the baby knockouts. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode. You know, I spoke with Lawrence Stripling, Silver Basis for New Investors. Spoke with him, and Lawrence was telling me that he was out buying silver this whole week. So he's not going to let that, you know, these low prices get away, because he knows that they're low prices right now, and I am down with him. I was out buying a few of our baby knockouts also, my friends, in the our silver and gold areas, and that's really good. We got the crazies with the cars and the trucks and doing different things. But anyway, my friends, you guys have a great weekend, Western weekend. You and your family enjoy one another. Like I said, we'll be getting the prices have been drastically dropped. For you that were said, hey, Mickey D, I couldn't afford, you know, this or that. Well, you can afford this now. You can afford it, and you can get these baby knockouts, and you and your family will definitely be blessed for years and years to come, my friends. Terry, lifelong learner. All you need is one. All you need is one. Am I right? Am I right about that? Izzy, high tide at 8 or 9 cents. That's all you need. Mark, that's all you need. You get it. Wait, Hive at 10 cents or something. That's all you need. All you need is one, guys. All you need is one, and you will be definitely addicted to the baby knockout lifestyle. All it took was AOL, America Online, for me during the .coms. That was it. I was hooked. I was hooked. This is the way to go, my friends. Lunch money, use my movie money, sacrifice a week of not going to the movies and not going out to dinner, and using that $150 to buy one of these, especially in these newer areas that we're going to be getting into. I gave you guys that one stock that has some problems in Alberta right now, but as soon as the problems are resolved in Alberta and they start going in their new direction, which is going to be it's going to be right with us. The mining, carbon credits, they're going to need. It's it's a wrap once these start. But we got to get in these companies early, guys. We can't get in these companies when they're 5 and 10 and 15. I don't want you jumping right now, even though last cycle UU went to over $200 in 2004, 5, and 6 and 7. It topped out at over $200. Not past performance is not indicative of future performance, so we don't know what it's going to do this trip, my friends. But we do know that these stocks are going much higher. They're going to explode much higher. Yeah, I believe gold and silver is going to be higher. I believe in the long run, I believe that Bitcoin will be much higher. The only thing right now that's holding us up, guys, with bull markets in all our 4 sectors is cannabis right now, because of legislation and because of the backlash that's coming to America. I don't know if it's coming to your country. Weigh in. Let me know if there's any backlash towards cannabis, because I really felt it when I was at the Veterans and First Responders Appreciation Day this past weekend. There was, I give guy a card, marijuana, I turn around, it was going right in the trash can, so that's really, that's a non-starter with some organizations in America, and of course with others, it's right on the table. But let's see where it goes. Like, for it's been a long one. You guys take care. Have a wonderful, great weekend. You guys, let me tell you, you certainly would look good in a. You certainly would look good, as you sport your gear. Love you guys. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful weekend.